नमस्कार मुलांनो, एमकेएस गुरुकुलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे। आज आपण जो धडा शिकणार आहोत त्याचं नाव आहे चिन्मयची हुशारी। सो नेम ऑफ द लेसन इज चिन्मयची हुशारी। Chinmay is a name of a boy and Hushari means cleverness or smartness. Smartness of Chinmay. So let's read the lesson. This lesson is also very lengthy and there are lot of hard words or new words in this chapter. So you have to read this lesson 2-3 times and need to understand it properly. So let's start the lesson. खूप वर्षापूर्वीची गोष्ट आहे। गोष्ट means story. Okay, this story is before many years. जेव्हा वाहतुकीसाठी साधने उपलब्ध नव्हती। वाहतुकीची साधने means of transport. So there were no means of transport that time. Okay, उपलब्ध means available. There were no means of transport or no transport is available at that time. चालत किंवा बैलगाडीतूनच प्रवास करावा लागेल। Then how do people used to travel? People used to travel either by walk or through the bullock cart. म्हणजे लोक ट्रान्सपोर्ट अवेलेबल नसल्यामुळे either used to walk or they used to travel through bullock cart. प्रवास म्हणजे travel. एका सोनपूर नावाच्या गावात एक कुटुंब राहत होतं। So one family, कुटुंब means family. One family was living in a village named Sonpur. Okay, नाव means name, गाव means village. त्यांचा चिन्मय नावाचा मुलगा होता। They had a son, मुलगा means son. They had a son, his name was चिन्मय. खूप हुशार व चुणचुणीत होता तो। हुशार means clever, चुणचुणीत means smart. So he was very clever and smart. त्यावेळी प्रत्येक गावात शाळा नव्हत्या। That time there were no schools in every village. Okay, म्हणजे प्रत्येक गावामध्ये त्यावेळी शाळा नव्हत्या। So there were no school in every village. प्रत्येक गावात means every village. Then how do kids used to study? 4 खेड्यांमधील मुले मिळून एक शाळा बाजूच्या गावात भरत असे। So kids from 4 villages together form a school in nearby village. Okay, 4 खेड्यांमधील मुले means kids from 4 villages together, मिळून means together, they form one school. Okay, and they were studying in बाजूच्या गावात means nearby village. त्यामुळे चिन्मयला शाळेत जाण्यासाठी रोज तासभर चालत जावे लागे। As there is no school in Chinmay's village, he has to go to nearby village, and that's why Chinmay daily used to walk 1 hour for the school. त्यामुळे means that's why Chinmay needs to walk तासभर means 1 hour, रोज means daily. So daily he used to walk 1 hour for the school as there is no any school in his village. त्याच्या गावामध्ये शाळा नव्हती। चिन्मय सोबत त्याच्या गावातील 8-10 मुले सुद्धा एकत्र शाळेत जात होते। चिन्मय was not alone. Okay, along with Chinmay there were 8 to 10 more kids used to accompany him while going to school. He was not alone. Other 8 to 10 kids from his village used to accompany him for the school. They used to go together. एकत्र means together. सोबत means accompany. आणि 8-10 means 8 to 10 kids. So Chinmay was not going alone. Along with him 8 to 10 kids from the same village used to go together for the school. पावसाळ्याचे दिवस होते. Those were monsoon days. पावसाळा means monsoon. ओके. 2-3 दिवस सतत मुसळधार पाऊस पडत होता. 2-3 दिवस मीन्स 2 to 3 days. There was सतत means continuously and मुसळधार means heavy. So that time 2-3 days there was continuous and heavy rain. त्यामुळे कोणीच शाळेत जाऊ शकले नव्हते. Because of the heavy rain, कोणीच means no one. No one could go to school. शाळेत जाऊ शकले नव्हते because there was a continuous and heavy rain. त्यावेळी सतत आणि मुसळधार पाऊस पडत होता. सतत means continuous and मुसळधार means heavy. And because of this heavy and continuous rain, no one could go to school. आज पाऊस जरा थांबला होता. आज means today. So today the rain had stopped for a while. म्हणजे काही वेळासाठी रेन थांबला होता. थोड्या वेळासाठी रेन थांबला होता. त्यामुळे सर्व मुले शाळेत जाण्यासाठी निघाली. That's why all kids have started for the school. आता 2-3 दिवस पाऊस होता त्यामुळे मुलं शाळेत गेली नव्हती. But today as there was rain has stopped for a while and that's why kids started for the school. You can see in this picture 4 kids are going to the school. They are going together. Okay. Now let's read the next part. दुपारी 12 वाजताची शाळा असल्यामुळे उशीर होऊ नये म्हणून सगळे घाईघाईने चालत होते. Now their school time was 12 noon. दुपार means noon. Okay. That 12 o'clock at noon time. Okay. So 12 o'clock their school was at 12 o'clock and they were walking hurriedly as they don't want to go to school late. Okay. दुपारी 12 means 12 noon. शाळेचं हे टायमिंग आहे. This is the time for their school and that's why they were going घाईघाईने means hurriedly. They were walking hurriedly as they don't want to go late. उशीर होऊ नये means उशीर means late. They don't want to go late for the school. That's why they were walking hurriedly. शाळेत जाताना वाटेत त्यांना एका नदीवरील पूल ओलांडून जावे लागे. So while going to school, they need to cross one bridge over the river. म्हणजे असं जात ते शाळेकडे चाललेत आणि त्यांना वाटेत एक पूल लागायचा. नदीवर एक पूल होता. नदी मीन्स रिव्हर आणि पूल मीन्स ब्रिज. सो दे नीड टू क्रॉस. ओलांडून जाणे मीन्स क्रॉस. They need to cross over one bridge over the river, nadi, while going to school. चिन्मय व त्याच्या गावातील त्याचे मित्रमैत्रिणी त्या पुलाजवळ आले. तेवढ्यात चिन्मयचे लक्ष पुलाकडे गेले. When Chinmay and his friends reached to the bridge, पुलाजवळ आले means reach near the bridge. चिन्मय and his friends. गावातील means village. So चिन्मय आणि त्याचे गावातले मित्र friends from the village when they reached near the bridge, तेवढ्यात means at the same time चिन्मयचे लक्ष पुलाकडे गेले. So just then Chinmay's attention went towards the bridge. Chinmay and his friends went to reach to the bridge. That time, just then, Chinmayचे लक्ष पुलाकडे गेले. Means Chinmay's attention went towards the bridge. Went towards the bridge. समोरच्या बाजूने पुलाजवळची माती वेगाने घसरत होती. So when he saw the bridge, what he observed? चिन्मयचं लक्ष गेलं. his attention went towards the bridge. And what he has seen? समोरच्या बाजूने पुलाजवळची माती वेगाने घसरत होती. समोरची बाजू मीन्स फ्रंट साइड, पुलाजवळची मीन्स नियर द ब्रिज. सो फ्रंट साइड नियर द bridge, he has seen that the land was slipping speedily. म्हणजे त्या पुलाजवळची जी माती होती ती घसरत होती स्पीडली. वेगाने मीन्स स्पीडली. So he has seen that from the front side near the bridge, he has seen that the land was slipping speedily. घसरणे मीन्स स्लीप. ओके, माती मीन्स क्ले म्हणतो आपण, पण इथे आपण लँड म्हणूया. सो लँड नियर द ब्रिज वॉज स्लाइडिंग. सो व्हॉट ही रिअलाइज दॅट देर इज अ रिस्क. कारण माती जर पडली तर तो पूल पण पडू शकतो. सो इफ देर इज अ लँड स्लाइडिंग देन देर इज अ चान्स ऑफ पूल ब्रेकेज, दॅट ब्रिज ब्रेकेज. ओके. चिन्मयला वाटले कदाचित पूल पडू शकेल. सो चिन्मय थॉट दॅट ब्रिज कुड फॉल. कदाचित मीन्स मे बी. ओके, सो कदाचित ब्रिज कुड फॉल, मे बी दॅट ब्रिज विल फॉल. सो ही हॅज सीन अ पॉसिबिलिटी दॅट ब्रिज कुड फॉल. त्याने आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना व इतरांना पुढे जाऊ नका, धोका आहे असे सांगितले. सो ही रिअलाइज द डेंजर बिकॉज ही हॅज सीन दॅट द लँड नियर द ब्रिज वॉज स्लिपिंग अँड he thought that there is a possibility that bridge could fall. So he realized the danger and he started informing his friends means and other people that पुढे जाऊ नका, don't go ahead, there is danger, there is some danger. Okay, so don't go ahead, पुढे जाऊ नका, don't go ahead, धोका आहे. So there is a danger. So he started telling all. त्याने सर्वांना सांगितले. He said to others. सर्वांचे लक्ष गेले. So attention of all went there. सर्वांचे means all. So when he told everyone about the risk, everyone's attention went there. पण पुलावरून काही लोक येत होते. But some people were coming from the bridge. Now he informed his friends and others who were below the bridge. Okay, to them he had shown the situation and he has told them about the danger. त्याने जे त्याचे मित्रमैत्रिणी होते, जे त्याच्या बरोबर होते आणि जे इतर माणसं होती त्यांना त्याने सांगितलं. पण पुलावरून काही लोक येत होते. मीन्स सम पीपल वेर वॉकिंग ऑन द ब्रिज अँड दे वेर कमिंग फ्रॉम द ब्रिज. त्यांना माहित नव्हते की तिथे धोका आहे. सो दोज पीपल वेर नॉट नोईंग दॅट देर वॉज अ डेंजर. कारण काय, दे वेर ऑन द ब्रिज अँड दिस लँड वॉज स्लिपिंग फ्रॉम द साइड वे, समोरच्या बाजूने. अँड दोज पीपल हु वेर वॉकिंग ऑन द ब्रिज कुडंट सी that danger. Okay, so some people were coming from the bridge, they were not knowing about the danger. So म्हणून त्यांना खाली आणणे आवश्यक होते. That's why it is necessary to bring them down. आवश्यक means necessary. It is necessary to bring them down. So how they will tell them that there is a danger? So चिन्मय जोरात हात वारे करून ओरडून त्यांना खाली या, पूल पडणार आहे असं सांगू लागला. सो व्हॉट ही डीड, चिन्मय स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग. ओके, अँड ही हातवारे करणे मीन्स गेस्टिक्युलेशन. सो ही वॉज गेस्टिक्युलेटिंग मीन्स हातवारे करणे. ही शोईंग हिज हँड्स, डोंट गो अहेड, लाईक दॅट ही वॉज शोईंग. सो हातवारे मीन्स गेस्टिक्युलेशन. सो चिन्मय वॉज शाउटिंग लाऊडली. जोरात मीन्स लाऊडली. ओरडणे मीन्स शाउट. So he was shouting, he was gesticulating and he was telling that come down bridge is going to fail. Okay, bridge is going to fall down. So please come down, he was telling them with his loud voice. असे सांगू लागला. त्याचा एकट्याचा आवाज पोचणार नाही हे लक्षात येताच त्याने सर्वांना एकत्र ओरडण्यास सांगितले. नाउ व्हॉट हॅपन? चिन्मय वॉज स्टँडिंग below the bridge. Okay, he is not on the bridge, and the people who were walking on the bridge, they are far distant. Okay, so his voice was not reaching. He was trying to shout loudly, he was gesticulating, and he was telling them to come down as there is a possibility of that pool may fall down. Okay, so he was shouting and informing them that come down, bridge is going to fall. But unfortunately his voice is not reaching to them as he was shouting alone. त्याचा एकट्याचा आवाज पोचणार नाही हे लक्षात येताच, means he realized that his voice will not reach to them. So what he did? त्याने सर्वांना एकत्र ओरडण्यास सांगितले. He told to other people to shout along with him, means together. That he told that ekatra means together. He told them that we will shout together. So when they will all shout, that sound will surely reach to the people who were on the bridge. So that's why he told them that let's shout together. सर्वांना एकत्र ओरडण्यास सांगितले. अशा प्रकारे ते समोरून येणाऱ्या लोकांना ताबडतोब खाली आणण्यात यशस्वी झाले. नाउ व्हॉट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेन्स? अशा प्रकारे मीन्स व्हॉट? इन सच अ वे. ते समोरून येणाऱ्या मीन्स पीपल हु वेर कमिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट साइड. ताबडतोब मीन्स इमिजिएटली. खाली आणण्यात means to bring them down. यशस्वी झाले means succeeded. So they succeeded in such a way, they succeeded in bringing down the people immediately coming from the front. Okay. काही वेळातच पुलाची एक बाजू खचू लागली. So in a short time, काही वेळातच means in a short time, one side of bridge, एक बाजू means one side of bridge started drooping. खचू लागणे means drooping, and pool मोडकळीस आला means that bridge was in a stage of collapsing. मोडकळीस आणे means it was about to collapse. So in a short time one side of bridge started drooping and that bridge was in a stage of collapsing. चिन्मयच्या हुशारीमुळे व जागरूकतेमुळे आज एक मोठा अपघात टळला होता. So today, because of Chinmay's smartness and awareness means jagrukta, he was knowing and he was reactive. He knows about the danger. He knew when he reached near the bridge, he realized the danger and he started making people aware about that. So because of his awareness and his smartness, what happened? मोठा अपघात means big accident. Okay, so due to Chinmay's cleverness and awareness, today a big accident got avoided. So he saved people lives. ओके. सर्वांनी चिन्मयचे व त्याच्या मित्र मैत्रिणींचे खूप कौतुक केले. सो आफ्टर ऑल दिस थिंग्स ऑल प्रेज चिन्मय अँड हिज फ्रेंड्स. ओके, समजली स्टोरी तुम्हाला? सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी नाईस स्टोरी. द बॉय चिन्मय हु सेव्ड द लाईफ ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज ऑफ हिज स्मार्टनेस अँड अवेअरनेस. तर असा हा सुंदर धडा आहे. One experience, what experience he had, Chinmay. Okay, so that is mentioned in this story. Please go through it. I will give you all the hard words in the story. There are plenty of hard words in this story, and each and every word I try to write it down. So these are the hard words. खूप means many, वर्ष means year, गोष्ट म्हणजे story, वाहतूक means traffic or transport. Okay. साधने means उपलब्ध, अवेलेबल. बैलगाडी, बुलक कार्ट. प्रवास means travel. प्रवास means travel. गाव means village. कुटुंबाचा अर्थ आहे फॅमिली. हुशार म्हणजे क्लेवर. चुणचुणीत म्हणजे स्मार्ट. खेडं, स्मॉल विलेज इज कॉल्ड ॲज खेडं. रोज म्हणजे डेली. एकत्र, एकत्र याचा अर्थ आहे टुगेदर. पावसाळा, पावसाळा मीन्स रेनी सीझन कॉल्ड ॲज मान्सून. सतत मीन्स कंटिन्युअसली. मुसळधार, मुसळधारचा अर्थ होतो हेवी रेन. थांबणे मीन्स टू स्टॉप. शाळा म्हणजे स्कूल. उशीर म्हणजे लेट. घाई घाईने, हरिडली. किड्स वेअर वॉकिंग हरिडली, घाई घाईने. नदी म्हणजे रिव्हर. पूल म्हणजे ब्रिज. ब्रिज वॉज देअर ओव्हर द रिव्हर. ओलांडणे मीन्स टू क्रॉस. माती, जनरली आपण क्ले म्हणतो, बट हियर वी कॅन यूज द वर्ड लँड. सो लँड नियर द ब्रिज वॉज स्लिपिंग. वेगाने मीन्स क्विकली और स्पीडली. घसरणे मीन्स टू स्लीप. Kadachit means there is a possibility. So that's why when there is a possibility, we use the word kadachit. Maybe, possibly. Okay, means kadachit. धोका, धोकाचा अर्थ आहे डेंजर. लक्ष म्हणजे अटेन्शन. आवश्यक म्हणजे इसेन्शियल. जोराजोराने, लाऊडली. हातवारे, हातवारे means gesticulate. ओरडणे means to shout. एकटा means alone. आवाज म्हणजे voice. पोहोचणे means to reach. लक्षात येणे, लक्षात येणे म्हणजे to realize. खाली, to realize. खाली means down. यशस्वी means successful. बाजू means side. खचू लागणे means sliding down. ताबडतोब means instantly. मोडकळीस, decrepit. जागरूकता means awareness. अपघात means accident. टळणे, अवॉइड. कौतुक, प्रेज. तर असे हे शब्द आहेत. खूप सारे शब्द आहेत. देर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ वर्ड्स यू नीड टू रिमेंबर अँड बाय हार्ट. तर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर आमच्या व्हिडिओला नक्की लाईक करा आणि MK's गुरुकुलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.